I am Andrew McGee, and I own my own power, thanks to POWERHOME Solar and the Indianapolis Colts. I don't enter every contest, but I saw that prize and I thought, wow, that'd be a really cool prize, a prize that keeps on giving. The experience with POWERHOME Solar has been great. Through the whole process, from start to finish, it's been wonderful. Very professional, and the installation looks great. I already get questions about my solar panels. People asking, you know, how much money I'm gonna save, and some saying that they look really nice. It's a great benefit to our house. Nobody had any issues with my panels on the HOA board. The solar panels are projected to reduce my electric bill significantly. It is very cool to have a battery with my system. I'm happy that if the power were to go out, that we'll have backup power in that emergency. We'll be able to keep our refrigerator running. We'll be able to keep in the wintertime our furnace blower running. It's a great peace of mind. It's important for me to be energy efficient, eco-friendly. I think it's very important to all of us. I've been a fan of the Colts since I was my early teens. Well, my favorite all-time Colts player, I probably have two. Peyton Manning, because Peyton has done so much for the team, and also Dwight Freeney. So you can't forget about the defense, and Dwight Freeney's always been my favorite defensive player from the Colts. Who knew that horsepower would lead me to solar power?
POWERHOME Solar. It's time to own your power.